Good morning, love bugs. I hope that you're doing well this morning. Today, Miss McKay is going to go over with you some of those learning targets that we've been doing that says I can, put together, sounds in words, where we can identify and say our letter sounds, and answer questions from a story that we read from our Zach and Ann reader. So let's start with our very first learning target. I can put together sounds in words. So if I say paste, you would say paste. Ready? Listen, please. Waste. Waste. Ace. Haste. Listen to those words. Paste, waste, haste. What can you tell me about those words? Those words rhyme. Now, let's see if you can figure out these words. Put together the sounds in b, a, r, oom. Bathroom. Good job. That one was tricky. B, e, d, r, oom. Bedroom. K, I, ch, in. Kitchen. Good job. At, it, k. Attic. Excellent. How did all of those things go together? Bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, attic? Yes, they're all places in your house. Now let's see if you can figure out the sneaky, tricky one Miss McKay has for you today. Are you ready for this long one? Okay. Put together the sounds in b, a, s, m, I, n. Basement. A basement is also a part of the house. Many people don't have them in Louisiana. It goes under your house, kind of under the ground. Great job. I love how you're putting together those sounds and words. How do you feel about some of these longer words? That's okay. Some of us are here. Some of us are a little shaky. That's all right. We're just going to keep learning and keep trying. Today, we're also going to go over that learning target that says, I can identify and say letter names and sounds. I will show you the letters on the screen. Tell me the letter names and sounds. If you saw this, you would say, I, it, E, E, A, O, U, H, C, K, J, J, R, R, D, D, F, F, L, L, G, G. Do that one again. G, G. Good job. Q, Qu. B, B. K, K. N, N. P, P. M, M. X, X. V, V. Y, Y. S, S. T, T. W, W. Z, Z. Great job with those letter sounds. Now those letters come together to build words. Today, the words we're looking at are not our words that we can just sound out. These are called tricky words. These are tricky words we've seen before. What do you notice about all of these tricky words? That's right, they all have WH. They're all question words. Yesterday, we looked at punctuation marks and we looked at a question mark. These are all words that we could use to ask a question. Let's go over the words. When, which, what, where, why. Now your turn. Ready, read. When, which, what, where, why. Now we're going to use these tricky words to help finish sentences. I am going to see 2 tricky words to choose from. This shows me when and which. We have to decide which word goes in the sentence to help it make sense. The sentence says, will Pat get here? I see the question mark at the end, just like we talked about yesterday. What makes sense? When will Pat get here? Or which will Pat get here? Yes, when makes sense. So we would write the word when. You do not have to have this paper. You can follow along with Miss McKay. Sometimes my pen gets a little stuck and makes funny places. When will Pat get here? Next, read these tricky words. You should have said which, what. Which one makes sense in this sentence? Is, oop, I see the digraph. At, that, is that. Do we say which is that or what is that? Yes, we can use the word what. If you don't know what something is, you would say, what is that? What? Let's look at the next set. What is that word? I know, I did it again. The word is what? Why? Now let's read our sentence. Did the cat hiss at him? Which word makes sense in the sentence? What did the cat hiss at him? Or why did the cat hiss at him? Yes, why makes sense. So we would put the word why. Why did the cat hiss at him? Let's look at the last one together. What are the 2 tricky words? Where? Which? Now let's read the rest of the sentence. Ready? Super readers, ready, read. Did you say pan is hot? Good job. Do we say where pan is hot or which pan is hot? Yes, which pan is hot. You have to decide between two or more things when we use the word which. Great job with your tricky words today. Now we're going to read some sentences. After we read the sentence, find the picture that matches. There are more tricky words in these sentences. Ready? The air. There is an ant in the grass. Which picture matches? There is an ant in the grass. The dog? No. The ant in the grass? Or the bee? The ant in the grass. Great job. Now you read the next sentence on your own. Ready? Go. Which picture matches the sentence? The lizard, the bird, or the fish? The fish, because the sentence says a fish has fins. Great reading, Cardinals. Two more. Ready? Read. Which picture matches the sentence? The lady in the rain, the boy swimming, or the puppy in a tub? Yes, the dog in the bathtub. The sentence says the pup gets a bath. Look at the last sentence. Read, please. Which picture matches? The rabbit, the dog, or the hen? The hen. Let's read the sentence together. The hen has 6 eggs. Great job, Cardinals. Now let's take all of those good reading skills that we've talked about as we read a story from our Zach and Ann reader called The Pots and Pans Band. Listen to tell what instruments the kids played in the band. The Pots and Pans Band. Zach and Ann are in a band. It's a Pots and Pans band. Zach and Quinn. Zach and Quinn bang on pots. Ann and Nell bang on pans. Bang, bang, ding, ding. Mom wants to sing songs. Stop, Mom says. Mom asks the band to sing, not bang. Mom sets up snacks and says, snacks! The kids drop the pots and pans and run to get the snacks. Mom grabs the pots and pans and sets them on a shelf. And that is the end of the Pots and Pans Band. Oh, goodness. What instruments did the kids play in the Pots and Pans Band? Let's go back to the text to find out. We can find the answer sometimes by looking at the pictures. Look at the pictures. What do you see the kids playing? I see them using spatulas and spoons to bang on pots and on pans. So I could say the kids played on pots and pans. I can also find the answer inside the text. I can see where it says Zach and Quinn bang on pots, Anne and Nell bang on pans. So I can tell you the kids played pots and pans. Those aren't regular instruments like you would have in a band. Describe what the music in the band might sound like. Look how Mom feels. Do you think it's a good sound? It's probably very loud because she covered her ears. How does Mom trick the kids to get them to stop playing? Let's go back in the text to find out. Well, she took their pots and she has the kids doing something different. Let's read. Mom sets up snacks and says, "Snacks!" The kids drop the pots and pans and run to get the snacks. So what did Mom do to trick the kids? Yes, she made them snacks. Then the kids wanted the snacks and not the pots and pans. How do you think the kids are going to feel when they realize that Mom took the instruments away? Yeah, they might be a little sad. Have you ever made a pots and pans band? Well, Cardinals, I hope that you have a wonderful day today. I want you to think about how you did answering the questions in the story. I also want you to remember that Miss McKay doesn't ever just guess. We go back in the text and we find the answers. Good job, Cardinals. Your parents can pull this back up for you, and you can read the story all on your own, or you can find the story in Google Classroom. Have a wonderful day. Bye, love bugs.